This is my bike check. I have Animal Edwin grips. Pretty torn to shit. I have like new ones just sitting in my room. I have Sunday Vinny bars, Shadow tag stem. The fork and front wheel are stock. I have a G Sport hub guard. I have an Odyssey GI peg in the front and back. I cut them down because I don't really need them terribly long and they get in the way anyways. The frame is a Miracle Black Pearl. Seat is Animal Strip Pivotal and Kink Stump Pivotal seat post. Just a shitty Haro seat post clamp, nothing special. I have Hoffman Bikes pedals, Odyssey Wombolt cranks, Coalition 25 tooth sprocket, Orange Shadow interlock chain. I have a KT reverse free coaster laced to a Alex double wall rim. I have Odyssey Path tires, and my other bike, I'm working on building it up. I just threw it together with the parts I had. Just some Miracle bars, Miracle stem, Haro, fork, Diamondback rim. But I have Animal ASM tires. Back rim is McNeil hub to Big City rim, I think. It's a left-hand drive. Eastern Medusa light sprocket. This thing is the shittiest sprocket I've ever had. I broke one of the holes right there. They're like a piece of crap, and it's already bent, and I didn't even do any grinds. It's just bent to shit, and I don't even know what the hell happened. I have some Odyssey twisted PC pedals and a fucking ghetto rig seat, Demolition missile grips, and that's about it.